Hey, this is CJ the Travel Man. I thought I'd let you know we stopped here. Yes, it says welcome to Wayne City, Illinois. So definitely I want to say hello to everybody here in Wayne City, Illinois. As you know, and if you're new to my channel, I'm CJ the Traveler Man. I'm going to be the first person to go to every city, town, and village. Yes, every city, town, and village. So other than that, let me say hello to everybody one more time. This is CJ the Traveler Man, and I had somebody at Blue as they roll by. So other than that, make sure you tune in every week to see where I'm going to be. I'm going to be in the whole state of Illinois. Yes, the whole state of Illinois. So if you see me, say hi, say anything, whatever, because I'm going to say bye and say hi back to you as well. So other than that, we're going to be going to the next town and the next town and the next town. And as you know, I'm going to be in every city, town, and village, yes, in the state of Illinois. So other than that, make sure you tune in every week. I would say Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday to see where your boy CJ the Traveler Man is going to be at. Peace.